Hello, students. Let us continue the story The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. I request you all to watch all the four parts of this story if you haven't seen. Okay. These are the points for a beautiful recap. Dr. Sadao Oki's childhood. Okay. Climbed pines, watched islands played along the coast. Okay, stone houses located upon rocks well above the narrow beach. Okay, and if you talk about his education, he was sent to America at the age of 22, and he returned after 8 years, became a surgeon and scientist. Okay, okay. Presently, uh, there was a war. Okay, the Japanese army was at war with, but Sadao was not sent with the troop in the war because the general might need him. He might need an operation. Okay, and even Sadao was perfecting a discovery that would render wounds entirely clean. Okay, if we talk about his wife was a pleasant, affectionate, caring. Okay, and Sadao met Hana at Professor Harley's house in America. Okay, clear, they got married in the most traditional Japanese way. Okay, in a traditional way, when they returned from America. Okay, clear. If you talk about the challenges that he had faced, so that is the misty night. Okay, they both saw staggering body appeared. Okay, it was wounded and it collapsed. Okay, ongoing near, they found that it was a white man. Okay, an American, their enemy. Okay, and Sadao and Hana carried him to the Sadao father's bedroom. Okay, clear. Hana had to wash him because Yumi, the maid servant, she declined to wash him. Okay, clear. And then Sadao operated. Okay, he operated the injured man, and Hana held the anesthetic. Okay, Sadao removed the bullet successfully that was near the kidney. Okay, his life was saved. Okay, the prisoner felt feeble and weak. Okay, the prisoner the prisoner was fed, and he was given rest to recovery, but he was anxious for his future as well. Okay, killer. Today we shall study Sadao's dilemma. Okay, killer. Okay, so let's continue. So, students, today we shall start from here. They did not try to hide what they said from the ears of Hannah as she stood arranging the day's flowers uh, in the veranda nearby, and she knew they spoke on purpose that she might hear. Okay, you know, uh, so when Hannah went out uh, for vomiting, okay, the servants were talking, and they were talking so loudly that they want Hannah to hear, to listen what they were saying. Okay, clear? That they were right. They were right. She knew too. Okay, and uh, in most of her being, but there was another part of her which herself could not understand. Okay, she knew it very well that all that the gardener and other servants are saying was were quite right. Okay, clear, and but she had to keep her obligation regarding her husband and others. Okay, clear. But there was another part, and this was the another part of which she herself could not understand. It was not sentimental liking of the prisoner. और बेटा आप ये मत समझना कि ये उसकी sentimental emotional liking थी of the prisoner. No, she had come to think of him as a prisoner because she always had thought of him as a prisoner of war. She had not liked him even yesterday when he had said in his impulsive way, anyway, let me tell you that my name is Tom. Okay? She had always considered that injured man, that American, her enemy. Okay, even she found no intimacy. Okay, she developed no affection when that American soldier told her her name, told her the name that his name was Tom. Okay, कि मेरा नाम टॉम है, उसने ऐसे बताया. Okay, she had only bowed her little distant. Okay, bowed her little distant, थोड़ा दूर से झुक के उसने उसको बो किया. Okay, means she showed her courtesy by bowing. झुककर उसने courtesy show की as the Japanese do. And she saw hurt in his eyes, but she did not wish to assuage. Okay, clear? So she could see that there was hurt in his eyes, but she did not had she did not have any wish to assuage it. Okay, you know what assuage means? Assuage means to lessen, to soothe. Okay, she did not want to soothe him. Okay, comfort करना नहीं चाहती थी उसको. Okay, indeed he was a great trouble in this house, and she knew it very well that he was a great trouble for this in this house. Okay, he was uh, a menace for them, living or dead. As for Sadao, every day he examined the wound carefully. The last stitches had been pulled out uh, this morning, and the young man would in a fortnight be nearly as well as ever. Sadao went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief of police reporting the whole matter. Okay. If we talk about Sadao's role in saving that prisoner, Sadao kept examining that person's wounds. Okay, when the last stitch of the wound uh, was pulled out. Okay, clear. It was confirmed that within a fortnight, within a fortnight, 15 दिन के अंदर क्या होगा? That injured man could be as well as ever. ठीक हो जाएगा वो. Okay, and Sadao went back to his office and then he carefully typed a letter to the chief of the police. What he write? He typed on 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner of war washed up to the shore in front of my house. So far he typed, and then he opened a secret drawer of his desk and put the unfinished report in it. He typed that on 21st day of February की किस तारीख फरवरी की किस तारीख को an escaped prisoner he washed up to on the shore in front of his house. Okay, shore तक आया, किनारे तक आया उसके घर के सामने. Okay, and so far he typed, जैसे जो ही उसने टाइप किया. Okay, he pulled out that page from the typewriter and then he put it in a secret drawer. Okay, उसने उसको secret drawer में रख दिया उस unfinished report को. He did not finish that report. Reason unknown. Okay. On the 7th day after that, two things happened. In the morning, the servants left together, their belongings tied in large square cotton cotton kerchiefs. Okay, when Hannah got up in the morning, nothing was done. Okay, the house was not cleaned and the food was not prepared. She knew what it meant. Okay, students, सातवें दिन on the seventh day after the operation के सातवें दिन क्या हुआ? Two things happened. First, when they when they when Hannah woke up, she saw that their belongings, all the servants had left. The servant left the house together. Their belongings tied in large square cotton kerchief, बड़े बड़े स्क्वायर kerchief में, और उन्होंने अपने कपड़े वपड़े बांध रखे थे, सामान बांध रखा था. एंड व्हेन हना गोट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, नथिंग वॉज डन, कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रखा था. ना तो घर की सफाई कर रखी थी. द हाउस वॉज नॉट इवन मॉप्ड और क्लीन्ड. ओके, एंड द फूड वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड. ओके, सो शी न्यू इट वेरी वेल कि आज इसका मतलब क्या है. शी वॉज डिसमेड एंड इवन टेरिफाइड, बट हर प्राइड एज अ मिस्ट्रेस would not allow her to show it. Okay, she even got angered, and even she got very disappointed with this. Okay, and even she was terrified, but her pride of being mistress did not allow her to talk. उनसे बात करने के लिए उसको अलाउ किया ही नहीं इस बात ने कि वो बात करे उनसे. Okay, and she even did not show this uh, fear on her face as well. Okay, instead she inclined her head gracefully when they appeared before her in the kitchen. Okay, and she paid them off and thanked them for all that they had done for her. Okay, when they came to her in the kitchen, she did not even show any emotions. Even she thanked them for everything they had done uh, for her. Okay, they were crying, but she did not cry. वो रो रहे थे. Before leaving the house, they were crying, but she did not cry. The cook and the gardener had served Sadhu since he was a little boy in his father's house, and Yumi cried because of children. She was so grieving that after she had gone, she ran back to Hannah and said, "If the baby misses me too much tonight, send for me. Okay, I am going to my own house, and you know where it is." Okay, so the old gardener and the cook, they had worked in Sadhu's house since he was a little boy. Okay, clear? And they were crying. Even Yumi was also crying for children, and she was so grieving. She had so much sorrow that she she ran back after she had gone. जाने के बाद भी वापस दौड़ के आई, and she told that if the baby misses her, okay, she could even call her. Okay, as she was going to her own house. Okay, and she knew where it was. Okay, thank you, Hannah said, smiling. Hannah ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा कि thank you, but she told herself that she would never send for Yumi. However, the baby cried, but she was determined कि she would not call Yumi even if the baby would cry. अगर बच्चे रोए ना तब भी उसको नहीं बुलाएगी. She made the breakfast and Sadhu helped with the children. Neither of them spoke of the students, of the servants, beyond the facts that they were gone. Okay, but after Hannah had taken morning food to the prisoner, she came back to Sadhu. Okay, so Hannah had to do all the domestic chores. Okay, either. Clear? Even Sadhu helped her with the children. Okay, he took care of the children when Anna was preparing food for them. Okay, Anna had to make morning food, breakfast. Okay, to the prisoner, for the prisoner, and she even took the food to his room. Okay, and when she came back, and after that she came back to Sadhu. Why is it we can't see clearly what we ought to do, she asked him. Even the servants are more clearly than we do. Why we are different from अदर जैपनीज. उसने आके एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा कि आखिर आखिर हमें ये सब कुछ हम क्यों नहीं देख पाते, क्यों नहीं देख सकते जो और कोई लोग क्लियरली देख सकते हैं. इवन यहाँ तक कि हमारे जो सर्वेंट्स कितने क्लियरली वो उन्होंने देखा है कि व्हाट वुड बी द कंसिक्वेंसेस इफ़ दे kept this prisoner of war in their home any longer. Okay, कह रहा है कि and then she asked why they were so different from other Japanese. बोला हम दूसरे जापानीज से अलग क्यों हैं. Sadao did not answer, but a little later he went into the room where the prisoner was and said brusquely, "Today you may get up on your feet. I want you to stay up only 5 minutes at home at a time. Okay. Tomorrow you may try it twice as long. It would be well that you get back your strength as quickly as possible." Okay. Sadao did not answer, did not give any answer, did not give any answer to Hana's question. Okay. Instead, he went straight to the prisoner's room. Okay. There, he instructed him that he could stand on his own feet, but only for 5 minutes. And then he asked that he could double the time the next morning. Okay. And he also suggested him to get back his strength. Okay, as quickly as possible. Okay. He saw the flicker of terror on the young face that was still very pale. Okay, the boy murmured. Okay. Eventually, he was determined to say more. I feel I ought to thank you, doctor, for everything, for having saved my life. Okay. When Tom, the American prisoner, he heard these words that he should get his strength back. There was a flicker of terror. एक डर की ट्रेस उसके यंग फेस पर थी. ओके. एंड देन ही हेजिटेटिंगली मर्मर्ड. क्या कहा कि ही वांटेड टू से थैंक to Dr. Sadao for having saved his life. Don't thank me too early, Sadao said coldly. Okay, he saw the flicker of terror again in the boy's eyes, terror as unmistakable as an animal's. कह रहा है कि जब उसने कहा कि मुझे इतनी जल्दी थैंक यू मत कहे, उसने बड़ा कोल्डली ये बात कही विद नो इमोशंस. तो द सेम टेरर फ्लिकर ऑफ टेरर वॉज विजिबल ऑन हिज पेल फेस. उसके घबराए हुए चेहरे पर ये टेरर देखने लायक थी. ओके. एंड जैसे जैसे ना जैसे पशुओं की आंखों में डर होता है ऐसे आंख में दिखाई दे रहा था. ओके. उस डर. द स्कार ऑन हिज नेक वर क्रिम्सन. इट गोट रेड फॉर अ मोमेंट. दो स्कार्स व्हाट आर दे? सदाउ डिड नॉट आस्क. उसने पूछा नहीं कि ये स्कार्स क्यों लगे हैं. इन दी आफ्टरनून द सेकेंड थिंग हैपन. हमने कहा ना कि 7th डे के दिन दो चीज़ें हुई थी. द सेकेंड थिंग हैपन इन दी आफ्टरनून. Hannah, working hard on unaccustomed labor, okay, she saw a messenger came to the door, okay, in official uniform. Her hands were weak and she could not draw her breath. Okay, the servants must have told already. She ran to Sadau, gasping, unable to utter a word. Okay, but by then the messenger had simply followed her through the garden and then he stood. Okay, she pointed at him helplessly. Okay, the second thing happened in the afternoon when a messenger, a messenger from the governor or the journal, he came from the office. He was in official uniform, and Hannah thought that the servants might have told uh, everything about the American prisoner of war to the police. That's why he had come. So she held her breath and she ran to Sadao. Okay, even she was unable to speak anything. By then, the messenger followed her. Okay, and he stood near the door. Okay, then she pointed at him. हेल्पलेस उसने उसकी तरफ पॉइंट किया कि वो बैठा. Sadao looked up from his book and he was in office. Okay, in his office. the other partition of which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. वो अपने ऑफिस में बैठा था, बुक पढ़ रहा था, और दूसरा पार्टीशन उन्होंने खोल रखा था, पार्टीशन दरवाज़ा खोल रखा था गार्डन तरफ जो खुलता है सदर्न सनशाइन धूप लेने के लिए. वट इज़ इट ही आस्क्ड द मैसेंजर, देन ही रोज सीइंग द मेन्स यूनिफॉर्म. उसकी यूनिफॉर्म देख के बोला क्या बात है भाई. यू आर टू कम टू द पैलेस एट द मैन. उस आदमी ने कहा कि आपको महल में आना है. द ओल्ड जनरल इज़ इन पेन अगेन. ओह हना ब्रीज, इज़ दैट ऑल. अच्छा तो ये सब था. अच्छा आप इसलिए आए थे. द मैसेंजर एक्सप्लेन. ऑल वट ऑल, वट इज़ ऑल, क्या ऑल की बात कर रहे हो. ओह इज इट नॉट इनफ, क्या ये इनफ नहीं है. इंडीड इट इज़, शी रिप्लाइड. आई एम वेरी सॉरी. बोले जनरल के दर्द हो रहा है कि इतना काफ़ी नहीं. बोला काफ़ी है, मैं तो वैसे ही. आई एम सॉरी. Sadhu came to say goodbye. She was in the kitchen but doing nothing. कमरे में थी वो, किचन में थी और कुछ नहीं कर रही थी. The children were asleep and she sat merely resting for a moment, more exhausted from her fright than work. डर से ज़्यादा थकी हुई थी काम की बजाय. ओके. आई थॉट दे हैड कम टू अरेस्ट यू, शी सेड. ओके, उसने कहा कि शायद वो आपको गिरफ्तार करने के लिए आए हैं. ही गेज्ड डाउन इन टू हर एंशियस आइज. आई मस्ट गेट रीड ऑफ दिस मैन फॉर योर सेक, ही सेड इन डिस्ट्रेस. बोलो मैं तुम्हारी खातिर, है ना, तुम्हारी खातिर मैं इससे पीछे छुड़ाऊँगा. सम हाउ आई मस्ट गेट रीड ऑफ हिम, जैसे तैसे कर लूँगा. सदाऊ गोज़ टू सी द जनरल. ओके. तो सदाऊ चला जाता है जनरल से मिलने के लिए. क्या कहता है, क्या बातचीत होती देखते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स द जनरल सेड वीकली, आई अंडरस्टैंड फुली, बट दैट इज़ बिकॉज आई वंस टुक अ डिग्री इन प्रिंसटन, सो फ्यू जापानीज हैव. ओके. Sadao, out of pain, very weakly, he said that he could understand everything. Okay, and because he had attained such a degree from Princeton, and very few Japanese heads uh, have had such degrees. Okay, I care nothing for the man, Excellency, Sadao said, but having operated on him with such success, yes, the general said, it only makes me feel you more indispensable to me. Evidently, you can save anyone. You are so skilled. Okay, you say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today. Okay. Sadao was taking the journal in his favor. Okay, he was trying to get his favor. So he said he was just putting his stand. कि sir, I had he had saved that man. Okay, and even he had operated him successfully. Then the general said that he knew it very well that he could save anyone. बोला आप किसी को बचा सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ वट had made him indispensable to him. Indispensable means that cannot be separated. इसी वजह से तुम मुझसे अलग नहीं हो सकते, उसने कहा. एंड देन द जनरल आस्क्ड इफ he could stand only one more such attack that he had that day. कि आज जो अटैक मेरे पास दर्द का हुआ, क्या मैं ऐसा एक और सहन कर सकता हूँ. नॉट मोर देन वन, सदाऊ सेड. बोल सर एक से ज़्यादा नहीं. देन सर्टेनली आई कैन अलाउ नथिंग टू हैपन टू यू. मतलब फिर तो मुझे तुझे कुछ नहीं होने देना, मैं तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा. देखो हाउ सेल्फिश द जनरल इज. ओके, कह रहा है कि फिर तो आपको कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा, चिंता मत करो. द जनरल said with anxiety. His long pale Japanese face became expressionless, which meant that he was in his deep thought. Expressionless उसका चेहरा हो गया था, and that clearly indicated that he was in deep thought. You can't be arrested, Sadao said. The general said. जनरल कहा कि तू अरेस्ट नहीं हो सकता. Closing his eyes. Suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation. वो सोच, अगर तो इस अरेस्ट हो गया, if he was arrested, okay, what would happen with him, क्या होगा उसका. and the next day he had to have his operation. अगर अगले दिन उसको ऑपरेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ गई तो. देयर वॉज अदर सर्जन्स एक्सीलेंसी, उसने कहा माँ महिम दूसरे डॉक्टर्स भी तो हैं, सदाऊ ने कहा। नन आई ट्रस्ट, द जनरल रिप्लाइड, द बेस्ट वन हैव बीन ट्रेंड बाय जर्मन्स एंड वुड कंसिडर द ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल इवन इफ आई डाइड। मतलब मैं किसी भी विश्वास नहीं करता, क्योंकि जो सबसे बढ़िया एक और डॉक्टर जो है वो जर्मन ने उसको ट्रेंड किया है, और वो तो कहेगा, ऑपरेशन को सक्सेसफुल कह देगा, चाहे मैं बेशक मर जाऊँ। आई डू नॉट केयर फॉर देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, ही साइड, इट सीम्स अ पिटी दैट वी कैन नॉट बेटर कंबाइन द जर्मन रथलेसनेस विद द अमेरिकन सेंटिमेंटलिटी। और उसने कहा कि मुझे बड़ी दया आती है इस बात पर कि वी दैट दे कुड नॉट कंबाइन बोथ द थिंग। कौन कौन सी भाई? द जर्मन रथलेसनेस, जर्मन की जो रथलेसनेस है, ओके, विद द अमेरिकन सेंटिमेंटलिटी को हम एक साथ इन दोनों चीज़ों को मिला नहीं सकते। उनकी जो इमोशनली जो जो ट्रीट करते हैं पेशेंट्स को, ओके, इट कैन नॉट बी कंबाइंड। Then you could turn your prisoner over to the execution, okay, and yet I could be sure that you would not murder me while I was unconscious। बोले तू उसको बोलो, उनको, उन प्रिजनर्स को एग्जीक्यूशन करवा सकते हो, फांसी लगवा सकते हो तुम उनको, और शायद मैं विश्वास कर सकता हूँ कि तुम मेरा मर्डर नहीं करोगे जब मैं बेहोश हूँगा। द जनरल लाफ्ड, ही हैड एन अनयूजुअल सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। बड़ी अनयूजुअल सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर थी कि इस टाइम पर मजाक कर रहे हो। एज अ जैपनीज कुड यू नॉट कंबाइन दीज टू फॉरेन एलिमेंट्स, ही आस्क। बोला क्या जापानीज़ की होने के नाते क्या तुम दोनों एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइन नहीं कर सकते? सदाउ स्माइल्ड, आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर, ही सेड, बट फॉर योर सेक आई वुड बी विलिंग टू ट्राई एक्सीलेंसी। बोले मैं श्योरली नहीं कह सकता, बट महामहिम अगर आप कह रहे तो आई वुड डू दैट। द जनरल shook his head. I had rather not be the test case. Okay, he felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed with the cares of his life as an official in times such as these, when repeated victory brought great responsibility all over South Pacific. उसने कहा कि प्लीज़ डू नॉट, ही रिक्वेस्टेड हिम नॉट टू कंसिडर हिम अ टेस्ट केस। बोले मुझे टेस्ट केस मत समझना कि दवाइयों का परीक्षण मेरे पे करोगे, ओके। एंड देन he reminded Sadao his responsibility that and the general was a significant personality, significant official in times, okay, and even he had got repeated victory from all over the South Pacific। उसको बहुत सारी विक्ट्री भी उसको मिली है। It is unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably। और उसने कहा कि ये तेरा बैड लक था। It was the bad luck of Dr. Sadao that the prisoner of war washed up to his doorstep, कि वो उसके घर तक आ गया बहकर। ये उसकी बदनसीबी है। I feel it so myself, Sadao said gently। सदाओ ने कहा सर, I also felt the same। It would be best if you could be quietly killed, if he could be quietly killed। मतलब सबसे अच्छा होगा कि वो चुपचाप मार दिया जाए। द जनरल सेड, नॉट बाय यू बट बाय समवन हु डोंट नो हिम। मतलब तुम नहीं मारोगे, कोई और जो उनको जानता नहीं है। आई हैव माई प्राइवेट एसेसिन्स, मर्डरर्स। एसेसिन्स क्या होते हैं? मर्डरर्स। बोले मेरे खुद के कुछ एक प्राइवेट मर्डरर्स हैं। सपोज आई सेंड 2 of them टू योर हाउस टू नाइट और बेटर एनी नाइट। आज की रात या फिर कभी रात भेज दूँ। You need know nothing about it, okay? It is now warm। What would be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps। और क्या करना है? He told that he would send his private uh, two private murderers, okay, to murder that prisoner of war। He asked Sadao to keep open uh, the prisoner's room, okay, so that uh, they could easily kill him। Certainly it would be very natural, Sadao agreed। In fact it is so लेफ्ट ओपन एवरी नाइट। बोले सर वो तो हर रात ही खुला रहता है, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है उस दरवाजे की। गुड। द जजन सेड यॉर्निंग, दे आर वेरी कैपेबल असेसिन्स, बोले बहुत कैपेबल मर्डर्स हैं। दे मेक नो नॉइज एंड दे नो द ट्रिक ऑफ इनवर्ड ब्लीडिंग, बोले वो बहुत आवाज़ नहीं करते मारते टाइम। एंड दे वर सो स्किलफुल दैट दे वर अवेयर ऑफ द ट्रिक ऑफ इनवर्ड ब्लीडिंग, अंदर से ब्लीडिंग जो है ना वो कैसे अंदर की ब्लीडिंग, इनवर्ड ब्लीडिंग को करना भी वो जानते हैं। इफ़ यू लाइक आई कैन इवन हैव देम रिमूव द बॉडी, तू कहे तो बोलो मैं, तुम कहो तो उसकी बॉडी को भी ठिकाने लगवा सकता हूँ। सदाऊ कंसिडर्ड, ओके परहैप्स, सदाऊ ने कहा कि हाँ बोलो सही, बिल्कुल परहैप्स दैट परहैप्स वुड बी बेस्ट एक्सीलेंसी, थिंकिंग ऑफ हना, हना के बारे में सोचते हुए कहा कि यस it would be a perfect idea, okay, that the body would be removed from the house and he would be murdered. Okay, clear? So students, this is all from my end in today's video. Okay, we will continue this chapter in the next video as well. Okay, thanks for watching this video today. Thank you very much.